Are you eating your dinner, Kylan? What are you eating? What'd you have for dinner? Hello? What'd you have for dinner? Did you have chicken?
Yeah.
Did you have broccoli?
Yeah.
Did you have carrots?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Did you have blackberries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you take your last bite of broccoli? All right. That was a big bite.
I'll go.
No, you have 2 more pieces of chicken. What are you saying? What are you saying? Say bye bye bye.